Good morning, students. This is your computer class, and today we are going to start with a new page, which is page number 10. Okay, and the first topic over here is an update. Okay, Nexi is the next generation robot. It is able to show various human-like facial expressions, such as slanting its eyebrows in anger or raise them in surprise while communicating with people. So Nexi is a next generation robot which shows various human-like expressions such as slanting its eyebrows in anger and raising them in surprise while communicating with people. Another kind of robot, which is Milo, is a 2-foot tall humanoid. Humanoid means having human-like features. Okay, this is the picture of Milo that interacts using children's voices and facial expressions. Okay, it interacts with using children's voices and facial expressions with the children suffering from autism. Okay, so autism is an illness. Okay, it's a neurological illness who tend to avoid eye contact and are uncomfortable interacting with humans. Okay, so children having autism, okay, they are uncomfortable interacting with people. Okay, and they do not maintain eye contact. So in order to improve this, scientists have developed Milo. Okay, and these are used these robots are used to interact with children to improve their self-confidence and to overcome this illness, which is autism. Okay, now the first topic that about the computer that you are going to learn today is characteristics of computer. A computer is a very useful machine. We all know that it has many characteristics. Some of its characteristics are superior even to human beings. Okay, so some of the characteristics of computers are even superior to human beings. Okay, let's discuss the common characteristics of a computer. Speed. A computer is a very fast machine. Okay, it performs complicated calculations in a few seconds that a human being does in many years. It processes millions of instructions per second, which is MIPS. Okay, so computer is a very fast machine. It performs complicated calculations in a few seconds, which a human takes many years to perform. Okay, it processes millions of instructions per second. Accuracy. A computer performs its tasks accurately. It never commits a mistake while calculating. A computer performs its tasks very accurately and it never commits a mistake, okay, while calculating. When the input data and the set of instructions are correct, the results produced is accurate. And if the input data and the instructions are correct, the result is accurate. It is never inaccurate. Okay, remember, the errors in calculations arise due to incorrect input given by the users. If there is error in calculations, it's because if you input incorrect data, okay, therefore the errors are there in calculations in the computer. Otherwise, they have always accurate calculations. Okay, or results. The next topic is large memory. A computer has a large memory. It stores a large amount of data in its memory and retrieves them whenever required. You can store data into a computer using various external and internal devices such as hard disk. Hard disk is an internal device. Okay, CDs or DVDs, pen drive, RAM and ROM. CDs, DVDs, pen drive, okay, are external devices. RAM and ROM are internal devices. Okay, so with the help of these devices, computer can store a large amount of data, and whenever it needs, or if the user needs it, it can retrieve it. Okay, it never gets misplaced. Diligence. What is it? What does the word diligence means? Careful and persistent work or effort. Okay, you can write this meaning in your book itself. Write it neatly beside the word diligence. Okay, a computer works tirelessly for a long time. Unlike human beings, it never feels bored or tired. Okay, when 10 million calculations are to be performed, a computer performs the 10 millionth calculation exactly with the same accuracy and speed as it performed the first one. So a computer does its work carefully and in a persistent way, continuously, okay, without any effort. Okay, it never gets tired or bored. Now to the next page. Some computers in scientific laboratories have been working for many years without being shut down. Okay, this is a knowledge factor that you should know, that there are some computers in scientific laboratories, okay, which have been working for many years without being shut down. Another topic is versatility. Okay, what does it mean? Ability to adapt to many different functions or activities. You can also write this meaning beside this word in your book in a clean way, in a clean manner. Okay, so a computer does a variety of tasks. Suppose a computer is busy preparing the result of a particular examination. The next moment it gets the task of solving a sum, and all along it may also be used for playing songs. Okay, briefly, a computer is capable of performing almost any task provided the task is reduced to a set of instructions. So a computer can do various kinds of tasks. Okay, it can do different kinds of functions. Okay, so a computer is a versatile machine. Multitasking. A computer can do many things at the same time. So a computer can also do many things at the same time. You can listen to music while typing text in Microsoft Word. One of the example is you can listen to a music while typing text in Microsoft Word. Okay, now the limitations of computers. There are some limitation to computers also. Okay, a computer is a wonderful machine, but it also has certain limitations. No intelligence. The first limitation is it has no intelligence of its own. A computer is a machine. It does not possess intelligence of its own. It depends on the user for performing a task. So it doesn't perform a task on its own. It depends on a user for performing tasks. When there is an instruction from a user to perform a task, then only the computer performs a task. It cannot take its own decision. Everything must be given as a set of instructions. Okay, it does only what it is told to do by a command. Okay, no feelings. A computer does not have feelings or emotions. A computer does not have feelings or emotions like human beings. Based on our feelings, taste, knowledge, and experience, we often make decisions in our day-to-day life. So, based on our feelings, taste, knowledge, and experience, we often make decisions in our day-to-day life. But a computer cannot make judgments and decisions by itself. Okay, so it is a machine. So we have finished the chapter. Okay, so we are going to start doing the exercises. Before that, we are going to again revise the key points from the chapter. The first point is abacus, Napier's bone, Pascaline, difference engine, analytical engine, tabulating machine, Mark I, ENIAC, ETSAC, UNIVAC 1 are involved in the evolution of computers. So this is the evolution of computers. Okay. Charles Babbage is considered to be the father of computers. So Charles Babbage is known to be the father of computers. A computer is a very useful machine. Speed, accuracy, large memory, diligence and versatility are the common characteristics of a computer. Limitations of a computer is that it does not have intelligence and feelings. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you.